Okay. Compilation. Hold on. Okay, okay. We're going down, right? We are sledding compilation. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
She's recording it.
I go my own way. I got stuff in my mouth. That little dim fat sissy over there. We're going up now, no running. I slipped. Okay, we're going down. Going one-handed is not what I recommend.
Okay, she's gonna go up, and then she's gonna hit that bump there. Okay, Cam, ready? Good job. Now let's check her pulse. Check her pulse. Check her pulse. Check her pulse. Check her pulse.
My pulse is not right there.
Are you good?
I hit my thumb.
Oh, are you good?
Yes.
Okay, she's gonna go down the hill again. Here she is, our little girl.
Two.
Again.
Oh, it's so slippery. Please get off. Lord! You just you left me to die. Don't worry, I was recording.
No, don't do me.
I got it all. These people are my witnesses. You attempted to murder me.
Not actually. I was gonna later. It's a later thing.
You got that on recording, guys.
No, shit. Go try again. Finally up there. She's about to go. And in to watch. There she goes. Make sure to steer. Nope, steer. There we go. And now we attack. How are we doing?
We're doing good.
That's good.
I've missed it twice. Well, I hit it twice, but on the not big end, and I missed it once.
You can hit me on my big end.
And video. Hi, we're back. Oh, is my camera dirty? Okay, we're doing a double. Ah! Oh my gosh, we're doing a double this time. Ah, we are not going the right way. Someone's supposed to be steering, and it's not me. Lauren, you're gonna make a huge indent. Come on. We're having technical difficulties. We're having technical difficulties.